Welcome to English Talk Nova. You're not alone on this journey. We're always here with you.
Hey, you're doing amazing. Every step counts, and we're right beside you. Keep shining, keep learning. Let's make this journey fun.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English Cafe chat. I had the funniest experience at a coffee shop yesterday, and I just have to tell you about it before we dive into today's lesson.
Oh, really? You have my full attention. What happened this time?
So I went to order my usual coffee, but for some reason, I decided to try something new. I asked for a double espresso with extra foam on a hot summer day.
That sounds interesting. How did the barista react?
You should have seen it. She looked at me like I had completely lost my mind. I think she was expecting a normal iced latte or something. I tried to explain, but I just ended up laughing at myself.
Classic coffee confusion. But don't worry, listeners. We're going to make sure you never feel that lost at a cafe. By the end of today's episode, you'll know exactly what to say to order like a pro.
Exactly. And if you've ever felt nervous or tongue-tied in a coffee shop, this episode is for you. Plus, we've got some fun tips and little hacks to make your cafe experience way smoother.
So stick around, grab your favorite cup of coffee or tea if that's your thing, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our English tips and real-life conversations.
All right, let's get started before I start craving another double espresso myself.
See? Just a few key phrases and a smile can make ordering so much easier. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. Could you tell me what's in today's special?
Sure. Today's special is the turkey sandwich with avocado, tomato, and a side salad.
Sounds great. Can I get it toasted?
Of course. Would you like anything to drink with that?
Yes, cappuccino, please. Could you make it with oat milk?
No problem. Anything else?
Maybe a chocolate croissant?
Excellent choice. It's freshly baked this morning. It'll be ready in about 5 minutes.
Perfect.
See? Just a few key phrases and a smile can make ordering so much easier.
Yeah, but I sometimes get tongue-tied when there are too many options.
Totally normal. Just take your time and ask questions.
By the way, any other recommendations for a sweet treat?
Our blueberry muffin is also popular, or the chocolate croissant, of course.
Oh, wow. Amazing. Let's stick with the croissant today.
Good call. And don't forget, you can always customize your drink.
Right. Cappuccino with oat milk, toasted sandwich, chocolate croissant. Got it.
Ordering isn't scary once you practice. Tiny steps like this build confidence.
Agreed. I love asking questions. It makes the experience more fun.
Enjoy. Your order will be ready soon. Feel free to take a seat anywhere.
See? Ordering coffee can be simple and even enjoyable.
Absolutely. And it's a great chance to use English in a real situation. All right, listeners, let's go through some key phrases from today's cafe chat.
Yeah, don't worry if you're nervous. We'll break it down step by step.
1. Special today? The featured dish or drink of the day.
This is a super useful phrase. If you want to know what's recommended at a cafe, just ask, "Could you tell me what's in the special today?"
See, it's simple, polite, and you'll sound like a pro immediately. 2. Side salad? A small salad served with the main dish.
A side salad is a great way to make your meal healthier or lighter. For example, I'll have the turkey sandwich with a side salad. Easy, right? You're already using English naturally.
3. Toasted? Heated with a crisp surface, usually for bread.
Want your sandwich warm and crispy? Just ask for it toasted.
Can I get it toasted? Perfect for sounding polite and clear. 4. Oat milk? A dairy-free milk alternative made from oats.
If you prefer plant-based drinks, this is the word you need. Could you make it with oat milk? Easy, polite, and modern. You've got this.
5. Freshly baked. Made and baked very recently.
Want to show that you appreciate fresh food? Just use this phrase.
Our chocolate croissant is freshly baked this morning. Now you can describe food like a native speaker. 6. Take a seat. Polite way to say, sit down. Sometimes you'll be invited to sit, and this is the perfect phrase.
You can take a seat anywhere. Short, natural, polite, and it makes you sound confident.
7. Tongue-tied. Feeling nervous and unable to speak clearly.
This happens to all of us. If you ever freeze or forget words, it's normal.
Sometimes I get tongue-tied when the menu has too many options. Don't worry, practice makes perfect. Remember, listeners, using these phrases regularly will make you confident in any cafe.
Exactly. Start small, ask questions, and don't be afraid to practice out loud.
And the best part? Every time you try, you get better and better.
So, go ahead, order your next coffee like a pro, and enjoy every moment.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's cafe chat. I really hope you picked up some handy phrases for your next coffee outing, or even just for chatting with friends at a cafe.
Absolutely. And remember, ordering coffee doesn't have to be stressful. Just use these phrases, smile, and enjoy the experience. Confidence is key.
And don't forget, if you enjoyed this episode, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our English tips and real-life conversations. We really love sharing these moments with you and can't wait to bring you more fun dialogues next time.
Yeah, keep practicing, have fun with English, and don't be afraid to ask questions or try new phrases. See you next time, everyone.
Bye, and enjoy your cafe adventures wherever you are.
Cheers to your next cafe experience.